Hey traders, TG Watkins here, and let's see, it's June 29th. I actually wanted to go through some of the Twitter posts that I had here because if you guys are seeing this, obviously you're looking at my newsletter and stuff that I do that, but I also put some stuff out through Twitter to kind of show you guys what's going on inside of the trading room, and if you're interested in coming over there and seeing how it is that I talk about stuff. Now, one of the things I wanted to show you was this one. It was going back to the 21st. And what you can mostly see is I was talking about here where we were expecting the SPY to probably go to the daily 21. And what I was then looking for is it was right in between all these moving averages. And what I wanted to see was if tomorrow, if we can get another dip, which could then confirm something buyable on the index. And so then if you look at the picture here that I had the screenshot, you can see that was the previous day, and then you could see the overnight, because if you look at the timestamp of when I posted this, it was before the market opened. All right, so that was the pullback that I was looking for, and then you can see that as I was talking about possible pullback and into the daily 21, now that we know, I mean, we're now on the 29th, we've seen this where price has gone all the way up to the 21 and then pulled back. So that was the correct call on both this, right through here that I was looking at for the move to the daily 21 and also the pullback. So that one I thought was kind of interesting. And then if we come here, this was yesterday that I posted this. And if you look at the timestamp, here was the 28th, 6:35 a.m., just 5 minutes after the market opened, since I'm on the West Coast. Apple has said feeling a little precarious to me. We got the 5250 pattern as seen previously, and price is putting a good sized gap between price and the daily 8. And if we look here, I posted that 5 minutes after the market opened, so right up there. And then I was also talking about this big gap here between price and the daily 8. And now that we know, price for Apple is, let me see, I'm looking at it on the other chart. It's all the way back down to 139.25. So I think we're right about then through there, but it actually came down and tapped the hourly 50, which is also what I was looking for. So that was a pretty good timing on that one. And then if we come up here, the next one that I posted about LabU, and you can see this, it was about 9 minutes after the market opened. And, yes, LabU had a pretty strong move to the upside, okay. But then as it decided to follow the 15-minute 50, but, this is pretty bullish. But when it's too bullish, it starts to make problems and issues for the other time frames. And you can see that I was saying it put in a big gap from price to the hourly 50, and I said at some point there's going to be a significant pullback to fix this, and there you go. So you can see here that that was where I made that post. You can see the big gap between price and the hourly 50, and we can see that price came all the way back down to there, and we hit the hourly 50. So this was only in the morning, so we hit the hourly 50, and we're still pretty much sitting there. So that was a pretty good call on that one, and these are all the things that I put out in the Moxie trading room. So if you guys are interested, you guys are clearly seeing this on the Profit Pilot website. So just go to services, check out the trading room, and see if that works for you. So, all right, guys. Well, thanks again. Hope you're doing well out there, and I'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.